Managing a HUD-funded property takes more than simply understanding regulations. Every day brings new challenges that require confident decisions and professional judgment. From maintenance concerns to resident disputes and lease violations, successful property managers know how to respond consistently while protecting both residents and the property. Learn how HUD requirements, fair housing regulations, documentation standards, and compliance responsibilities influence the decisions you make every single day. Discover practical techniques for investigating issues, documenting incidents thoroughly, communicating professionally, and making well-supported management decisions with confidence. Designed for property managers, compliance specialists, housing administrators, and leadership teams responsible for successful HUD multifamily operations. Strengthen your property management skills, reduce compliance risk, and confidently handle everyday HUD property challenges. Register for this practical webinar today.